It's a problematic hobby, really, isn't it? I squeeze these out when I can. Knock out Nazis with Mark IV dreadnoughts and socks. That's the weapon of choice. We're going to have a squad. So you might not have heard about the Talavera event in Spain. That has prompted the recent Games Workshop announcement. This guy rocked up to a Warhammer event openly wearing Nazi symbology, thinly veiled, because it wasn't a swastika, it was swastikas in a pattern, but it was all Nazi iconography. He called himself Austrian painter. Adolf Hitler was a painter, because you know, if your ideology says that you're the best and everybody else should be murdered, then you should go away into the void of space, perhaps. I've had a bit of a hiatus from recording videos because I've had new neighbours doing loads of work. My housemate had COVID and was coughing all the time, and that's not conducive to good sound. Cat. Salute was good. Did you see the bases? Got them. Got some paints, got some Chimera, painted a bust. Doing a commission at the minute. Some Sigma guys. Gonna talk about that maybe, might do a little video on it. I've not been shooting anything specifically on that because it's just priming stuff, airbrushing. I think lots of other people do that well. Maybe I'll do a little talk around that at the end. The Octarius terrain box has been somewhat stilted because I had to go to work and then I couldn't go to work, and then so maybe I'll record stuff running up to Christmas if I'm not crazy busy. I'm either dead quiet or crazy busy. But this isn't my full-time job. I'm not one of those guys. I squeeze these out when I can. Sometimes I just want to do hobby for my own sake, but you know, share this stuff, like and subscribe, all that bollocks if you do like it, and maybe help me grow this little channel, and we can all knock out Nazis with Mark IV dreadnoughts in socks. That's the weapon of choice. We're going to have a squad of lead Terminators, those guys that I fucked up with loads of oil paint. I was doing a nice job, they looked really poppy, and then just a little flick of white paint came off a brush and hit every single one of the bastards. So now they look a bit desaturated and pink. I'm going to try a couple of things and see if I can't fix them, but they might be in the bio strip. Anyway, don't be a Nazi. Spread the love while you're shooting your friends in the face with tiny guns or bows and arrows, fireballs. You know, however you choose to murder your friends. You know, it's a problematic hobby, really, isn't it?